What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel and thanks for stopping by. Today I'll be sharing with you how I pre-poo my hair using the aloe vera leaf and my DIY hot oil treatment. So if you're interested, then stay tuned. Now, the aloe vera gel is great for moisturizing and conditioning the hair and scalp. It promotes hair growth and it contains antifungal and anti-inflammatory properties, which is great for those suffering with dandruff, itchy scalp, psoriasis, and rosacea. To start, I'll be cutting that white irregular part off. Now, to access the gel, I'm cutting about 2-3-inch pieces to use. Now, basically, the size of the pieces will depend on the thickness of the leaf. You'll also need to remove those spiky edges from the leaf. Now lastly, you're going to equally divide each piece into halves, and that is what you're going to use for each section of the hair. Now onto the hot oil treatment. I'm going to eyeball the measurements, just enough for one use. So I'm going to add some olive oil, which is great for moisturizing dry scalp, some vegetable glycerin, which is a natural humectant, castor oil to increase hair growth, peppermint oil for blood circulation, and tea tree oil for its antifungal properties. I'm giving the oils a good mix and placing it into a bowl of hot water to steep. Now onto my hair, and guys, as you can see, it's really dry and there's lots of shrinkage. I'm just sectioning the hair, and this makes it easier to detangle and prevents breakage. Now before I apply the aloe vera gel, I would slightly spritz my hair with some water just to loosen any tangles. Now guys, here is where you want to apply that gel onto the scalp, and I would definitely recommend you take your time. Since this is a slippery process, take your time and gently massage that gel onto the scalp. After that top layer of gel is used up, using your fingertips, you want to insert some holes to access more gel. After applying the gel, I follow that with my DIY hot oil treatment, and then I proceed to detangle that section of hair. Now that my hair is fully saturated with the mixtures, I'm going to place a plastic cap on and let that sit overnight. So guys, this is the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell by the subscribe button so you do not miss an upload. Until next time, remember love, peace, and blessings.